All right, here today we have a 2008 Chevy Tahoe LT model. Has the 5.3 V8 engine in it, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, and 203,000 miles on this one. Done a lot of work to this vehicle. We did a whole upper engine rebuild, all new lifters and gaskets and everything on the top end. Runs and drives great. We did a new radiator, four-wheel drive actuator, new fuel pump, and some other miscellaneous stuff. Mechanically, this thing runs and drives really nice. I've personally driven this one the last year or so. Put a couple thousand miles on it and ran and drove really nice. It's got, I'd say 30-40% tread on the tires. And the vehicle has little, if any, rust on it at all, at least on the body. A lot of these rust out real bad, but this one, I mean, as you can see, there's not really any rust on it. It's got a few bumps and bruises and some scrapes. It's got the tow package on it. Yeah, even the rockers and don't even have rust on them. The trim on this side's coming off just a little bit. You see it kind of starting to separate. The inside of this one's definitely got some wear, as you can see. Like I said, it runs and drives great. Doesn't have any service lights on. Everything appears to be working as it should be. Four-wheel drive works good. It's got the auto as well as the four-wheel drive high and low. Radio, everything works good. Climate control. Back seat. Definitely got some stains in the carpet. And this back area, whoever had it, must have been a painter or something, because there's paint spilled all over the back of this thing. The seats themselves are in good shape back here, but as you can see on the side, they definitely used it to work out of. And that's it on this one. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at heritagemotorsales.com.